Masala mutton curry. In a jar, add 2 chopped onion. Add 2 to 3 green chilies. Grind them. Add 1 inch of ginger and 5 to 6 garlic pods. Make fine paste. Fine paste is ready. Keep it aside. Transfer to sliced tomatoes and make paste. Heat pressure cooker and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Add to sliced onion. Fry until golden brown. At this point, add onion paste. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 black pepper, 1 teaspoon of shazira, 2 black elaichi, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 green elaichi, and 1 teaspoon of jaful. Mix and cook. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Add salt as per taste and mix them. Add half 300 grams of mutton. Give a nice mix. Roast mutton nicely for 3 to 5 minutes. Add tomato paste. Mix it nicely. Add 1 teaspoon of zira powder. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix them. Add 1 cup of water. Give a mix. Close lid and cook up to 4 to 5 whistles. After 4 to 5 whistles, open lid. Mutton is cooked well. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Grate little nutmeg. Give a quick mix and turn off flame. Mutton curry is done. Tasty and delicious masala mutton curry is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.